Hello everyone. On this tutorial, I will teach you how I make a small miniature fairy garden using a small bowl, or you can also use a teacup. You will need to have a hot glue gun. I'm using also wire clippers to cut my flowers, which I purchased at Dollar Tree. Here's a little bowl that measures about 4 inches across. You can use pretty much any small container, not any larger, as I said, than a teacup or a bowl, as this bowl that I'm showing, which I purchased at Goodwill. Goodwill is an excellent place to find these types of bowls. And here you can see that I have put a piece of cardboard that I cut from, I think this was a waffle mix. Just turn your bowl over and cut a circle to fit inside the container. Then I decided I would poke some holes using on one of the edges of the container, and this is where I will be inserting the silk flowers. Try to find small size silk flowers. I found mine at Dollar Tree. It actually is easier to get a hole punch and punch the holes, about 6 or 7, however many pieces of silk flowers you would like to use. And then to fit the cardboard, just cut slits around the circle to make it fit. I have used, here's where I show you that what I used before. After gluing the piece of cardboard, I was using this all, and it doesn't make holes big enough for me to insert the pieces of cut silk flowers. So definitely cut your holes as I'm showing here with this hole puncher. Make them to be a smudge around 1/8 of an inch, as you will be inserting small stems through these holes. And this will secure them to the base. You can also find teacups like this one at Goodwill, or I found mine at an estate sale. Be very careful with when using the hot glue gun. And I also use the E6000 glue to secure the piece of cardboard inside the cup. Just a small amount will be enough. This glue does not glue instantly. So after I put the circle inside the teacup, you will see that I also use some hot glue gun. After I've poked the holes on the cardboard, it is time now to place the small pieces of artificial flowers, and I picked up mine at Dollar Tree. Try to find flowers that are small, as this is a very small arrangement. And I'm going through the selection that I have of wildflowers, lavenders, and just using a wire cutter to cut small pieces, which I will hot glue into those little holes. Picked up some greenery bouquet. It took me a while to find these, but I was finally able to find a few. And before you use the hot glue, you might want to play around with the arrangement that you like. See how it looks before you glue these pieces permanently. If the hole is too small, you can always try to open it, piercing it with an awl. To create a path, I'm adding some stone granules that I picked up at my Walmart, just to add a little touch of interest. And now I'm going to play around placing my little figurines. These are quite nice, and I purchased them at Dollar Tree. All you need is three figurines. And here's the finished arrangement. As you can see, it turned out super cute, and it would make a great gift for someone. I have some more leftover minifigurines, so as you can imagine, I will be making more arrangements. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I have inspired you to create your own miniature fairy garden. Have a great afternoon, and thanks again for taking the time to watch this video.